Hi everyone, in this guide, I'll explain how to get the Google search bar back on your Android home screen step by step. This method works on most Android phones and doesn't require any extra apps. Open your phone and go back to the home screen. Make sure you are on an empty area of the screen. Now, long press, tap and hold on the blank space until a pop-up menu appears. This menu usually shows options like wallpapers, home settings, and widgets. Next, tap on the widgets option. You'll see a list of widgets from different apps installed on your phone. Scroll down slowly until you find the Google section. Once you open it, look for the Google search bar widget. Now, tap and hold the search bar widget. While holding it, drag it to your home screen and place it wherever you like. After placing it, you can resize the search bar by dragging the edges depending on your phone model and launcher. Adjust the size so it fits nicely on your screen. Once set, release your finger. The Google search bar is now back on your Android home screen, ready for quick searches anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Android tips.